restaurant week, son.
$35. Hi, welcome to Hummus and Bacon vlog.
So,
We're gonna go to Chima for restaurant
The
week
Earth-
in Philadelphia.
the earth just dumped this humongous,
Snow pile.
and they decided to name it Jonas.
It reminds me
You know what
a lot of,
happened to
like,
Jonas?
Jonas Brothers.
They separate now.
Well, there's 3 of them.
Hi, we're here in Center City reporting live.
In the middle of the
Oh, the size in my head. Sorry.
in the middle of the blizzard.
In the middle of the city.
We're
We,
trying to go to Chima.
Are we? Oh my god, we're going to Chima.
Hi, Ko.
Hey, Chris.
I think I'm not looking at the camera.
Yeah,
oh,
the
this
camera
iPhone,
is
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then Cindy has her cup of coffee this morning, as you can tell.
From
It's-
Dunkin' Donuts.
Beautiful. We're getting ready to eat a bunch of meat
Yes.
and maybe a few salad for
You know
those
how,
who doesn't
how
like
many
vegetables.
cows die for this?
Let's not talk about that.
And there's not organic.
You know, like we gonna eat salad just
you
to make
have
ourselves feel better.
you have to see what it looks like right now.
Snow apocalypse.
Whoa.
But let's face it, they clean up Center City much faster than South Philly.
Yeah.
Korban jiwa.
I agree.
What?
Korban jiwa.
Korban jiwa by plant. How are you?
But yeah, look at all this snow. You gotta be careful. There's just a lot of ice everywhere.
Yeah.
But look, 7-Eleven is open.